Hello all, welcome back to IAS in-depth classes. Do you know about Nauru? It is the world's smallest island nation. It is located in the Pacific Ocean. Nauru is a rich country. How it became rich is the question of today. So Nauru is located in Pacific Ocean. You can see the island. When we talk about the location, it is located to the west of Kiribati Islands, to the south of Marshall Islands, to the southeast of Federated States of Micronesia, to the north of Solomon Islands, to the northeast of Papua New Guinea, and it is located to the northeast of Australia. So, how this country, this micronation, became a rich nation? For a century, phosphate mining was the main source of income for this country. But in 1990s, phosphate exhausted. After that, the main source of income was a regional processing center. Regional processing centers are detaining centers for illegal immigrants from Australia. So Australia is giving aid to Nauru for this purpose. I'll show you regional processing centers in Nauru. So this is a regional processing center. So here is the place where illegal immigrants are detained. I hope you understood how Nauru became rich. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.